In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva for beginners. If you're just getting started with this powerful design tool, you're in the right place. Let's start by exploring the intuitive interface that Canva offers. Once you get a feel for its basic capabilities, you'll be creating stunning visuals in no time. First, visit the Canva homepage and take a look around. The search bar at the top is your entry point to an endless array of design possibilities. You can search for anything from presentations and websites to t-shirt designs. It's as simple as typing in what you're looking for. For instance, if you need to create a resume, type resume in the search bar and hit enter. This will instantly bring up a wide variety of beautifully designed templates created to suit all sorts of professions and styles. Once you find a template that catches your eye, go ahead and select it. This is where the magic really happens. You'll see an option that says customize this template. Click on that to start making it your own. Canva's drag and drop interface makes it intuitive to move elements around, change text or add images. Now let's take this resume template and make it yours. Begin by editing or replacing the text. Simply click on any text box and start typing. You'll want to ensure your name, contact information and relevant experiences stand out. For those design newbies, Canva offers tips and predefined font combinations to help you create a visually appealing document with ease. Next, if you feel like adding some flair, click on the Elements tab found on the left side of the screen. Here you can add icons, shapes and lines to give your resume a personal touch. Want to draw attention to a particular section? Try adding a decorative banner or an eye-catching icon next to your achievements. Text boxes are another feature you might find handy. By clicking on the text button on the side menu, you can add additional sections or information anywhere on your design. It's perfect for making titles, subtitles, or notes stand out with different fonts or colors. Images play a crucial role in making designs more engaging. To change an image on your template, click Uploads. You can either choose from Canva's extensive gallery or upload your own photos. Simply drag and drop your selected image onto the existing one to replace it seamlessly. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you explore Canva's features, the more confident you'll become in creating all kinds of designs. From resumes to business cards and everything in between, Canva truly is a tool that grows with your needs. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this introduction to using Canva has been helpful. Happy designing!